manager of Chun 닭갈비. Chun is a province in Korea, and 닭갈비, as you can see up there, is chicken kalbi. Our restaurant was opened in last November, which is only 8 months away. However, our restaurant is very popular amongst younger generations, and we also have many non-Koreans that are interested in our restaurant. I'm sure if you were in K-Town, you would have probably passed by our restaurant at least once. Why don't you follow me in?
What kind's that?
What kind?
As you can see right over here, our restaurant was shown in the LA Weekly, written by Jonathan Gold. The title was 닭갈비. I don't know why he put 2 talks, which means chicken, but I guess it's kind of a sense of humor. Jonathan Gold descriptively told you guys that our restaurant's food is very interestingly different, but also a little bit sweet inside. However, our restaurant's food is not sweet because of sugar or MSG, but because we use honey. And also, 2 weeks ago, our restaurant participated in a barbecue competition, which 15 different barbecue companies. Jonathan Gold, the author of this article, described about a restaurant as being very sweet, but very interesting because this is some kind of food that he has never tried before. Our restaurant's food is sweet because not of sugar or MSG, but because of